In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a zero in front of a number in Google Sheets. If you've ever typed a zip code, an ID, or anything that starts with zero, and watched that leading zero vanish the moment you press enter, you're not alone. By default, Google Sheets treats numbers as values, and values don't display leading zeros. The good news is there are two fast, reliable ways to fix this, depending on whether you're working with a single entry or a whole list. If you just need to fix one cell or a handful of entries, the quickest method is to add an apostrophe before the number you type. For example, instead of typing the digits directly, start with a single apostrophe and then your number. Sheets will treat the entry as text and preserve every leading zero exactly as you typed it. When you press enter, you'll see the number as expected, without the apostrophe showing in the cell. This is perfect for one-off entries or anything that you never plan to calculate with. Just remember, because it's text, formulas like sum won't treat it as a numeric value, and sorting may behave differently. If you're formatting a whole column or a list, use a custom number format so the display adds leading zeros automatically while keeping the values numeric. Start by selecting the cells you want to format. Go to the Format menu, choose Number, and then select Custom Number Format. In the box that appears, type a 0 for every digit you want to display. For example, if you need 5 digits, enter 5 zeros. Now, any shorter number will be padded with zeros on the left to reach that length. Type 3 digits, and it will display with 2 leading zeros. Type 5 digits, and it will display exactly as is. This approach preserves the underlying numbers, so you can still sort numerically, run calculations, and use data validation without issues. Use the apostrophe trick when you're entering a few values and don't need them in calculations. Use the custom number format when you want an entire range to look consistent and still function like numbers behind the scenes. With these two techniques, your data will look professional and stay consistent. Whether you're managing zip codes, IDs, or standardized codes that must keep their leading zeros. No more disappearing zeros.